Hello friends, and let's open this parcel together. So, at first you could see that this is my favorite brushes and it's my set collaboration with Tintoretto. Two of them are prizes for the competition for the best watercolor work on my Patreon. Follow me there. And this is something new and I think it goes together. So let's unpackage it, and it's the serial number 1477, the name of magenta, and I think it's quite interesting. Let's open. Wow, that's brilliant packaging. Velvet pouch looks amazing. So this is the magnetic brush stand. Let's try to open all brushes. And here is it. So let's try how this works, and you could see that these brilliant brushes, they could be very thin and also they can create really thick lines, and I think it's magic new set from Tintoretto. What do you think about it?